Sometimes I wish that I could live without a thought in my head. So just live and let it be until I was dead. It's getting on so obvious. It's in the daily mail. This body doesn't want me here. I better tell the tale. That there's a hole in my heart where you end and there's a start. Now it goes on and on and on. Without you, what do virgins matter? At this stage of things, now you're in my water. Surely I will sing. I know how to relate to me. You have from the pain. Staying in the best for me. You didn't get a stay. Now there's a hole in my heart where you end and there's a start. Now it goes on and on and on. Without you.